What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, my name's Chris, and yes, I am currently shooting on the Lumix S9. I've been wanting to try this camera out for a very long time, and big shout out to Impulse for letting me use this camera for about 20 days, but so far I think I'm going to be buying this camera because it's absolutely insane. So I'm shooting on the S9 and I have the TT Artisan 40mm f2 because I wanted a sharp, fast lens. And this lens is actually rather cheap. It's only like 170 bucks. So this setup all in, you can get this setup for like $1,100, and it is crispy. And as you guys saw earlier, it was snowing here and it's now 4:30. The sun is coming out, as you guys can see. It's rather bright now, and I want to go out and kind of document that snowfall because I thought we were done with the snow here in Milwaukee. It was like 70 degrees a week ago, and now we have like 6 feet of snow. The Midwest, dude. The Midwest. Dude, I am sick and tired of this snow. It is absolutely terrible. It is March 16th. On March 25th, I'm going to Arizona, and 100 degrees sounds so much better than this like negative 15. I think it's only 23 right now, but I think it's gonna be like negative 15 tomorrow. I'm over this snow, dude. The winter has sucked. It has affected my mental health so much. I just can't wait for spring, dude. I can't wait for it to be nice out, for running, for constant content creation. It's going to boost my mood so much. But as I was walking back, I was taking photos and a snow truck just came barreling by and just kicked snow all up on me. It literally felt like one of those like memes when it's like raining outside and you're sitting there with an umbrella and the car goes right by you and you get kicked up with water. It was that exact same thing, but with snow. All right, it is now currently Friday and I just got off of work. I have the Lumix S9 with the TT Artisan 40mm. My goal is to capture some street photography, but also maybe get some clips too. So far Milwaukee's popping tonight, so like I'm excited to see what this camera can do. Things I have currently screwed up on. Number one, I thought I was recording in log this whole entire time, but I'm actually just recording my LUT directly onto the camera, and I thought I would hate that, but the footage actually still looks good, and it kind of just makes vlogging 10 times easier because I don't have to color grade. Now, I do miss that workflow knowing that I can push and pull the colors a little bit, but it's also just like set it in camera and forget it and just go and create, which has been very, very nice. And number two is I said I was going to record my whole week this week, and I haven't recorded anything. Life just gets crazy, man, but I still want to create a little vlog with this camera. So it is currently 10:02. I've already gone to the gym today, and normally I record my gym sessions, but I wasn't feeling it today. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go and get a coffee, and I'm gonna go and stop by a little streetwear place here in Milwaukee because I am going on a trip and I might want to get a little fit. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I can't wait for this coffee. It's gonna taste so good. Alright, I'm now on the Lumix 18-40 kit lens. It's an f4.5 to f6.3. And I actually kind of forgot that I had this lens. It's 10 times easier for vlogging. Look how much wider this is. I think the thing that I enjoy most about the Lumix S9 is just how easy it is and how like less friction it is to create. Now, I think the thing that has been tripping me up is just recording on the 40mm. Like for vlogging and like showing life, you definitely want something wider. I just didn't think that this 4.5 18 mil to 40 kit lens would be any good, and it's like surprising me right now. Like, this looks absolutely insane. There's no ND, it's just straight from the camera, and I no longer am using my wireless mic. I am using a shotgun mic, and it just looks good. And like this setup right here, I used to hate on kit lenses. You think it's not professional, but like this setup right here, it's kind of nice. It just works. And I am surprised by the photos that this kit lens has taken for me. I've shot in a couple things on it, and it's just crispy. It's just crispy. And I did end up going to the streetwear store, but I got myself a little watch. This was technically, I was at the casino. I gamble sometimes. I was at the casino and I won $50 on, like, someone like drew my name out, and I won a $50 gift card. So this watch was like 65 bucks. So I only end up paying 15 out of my pocket. And it's just a little something nice that is not my Koros watch. But that is the video. I just want to like make a video showing you how streamlined the Lumix S9 is if you're looking for a creator first camera. Yes, you can get the Sony ZV-E1, but that is $2,000. You can get the Fujifilm X-S20, $1,500. You can get the Sony A6700, $1,700. You can buy the Lumix S9 for $1,000 used, which is insane. You buy the 40mm lens, 170 bucks. You buy this kit lens, it's probably like $200 to $300. I mean, you're in less than $1,500, which is insane. And you can use that extra $500 to buy some accessories for the camera. So I am so hyped about this camera. It's so simple, and it just makes creating fun, which is all that you need. But I'm going to end the video here. A little short little vlog just showing you the capabilities of this camera. I hate making camera content. I want to step away from it, but then I'm like, what else do I make? But I'm just enjoying the process. I had a slow Saturday. It was enjoyable, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.